like to invite our first keynote address by Mr. S. Punevanam, VP and Head After Sales, Hyundai Motors India. So over to you, Mr. Punevanam. If you have a PPT to share, maybe you can just do a share screen and we'll have your presentation.
Are you able to see mine? Hyundai Service Evolution.
Yes, sir, we can see it.
Yes, we
sir.
can.
Thank you once again, Anuj. Though I love to have some few words with our dealer friend. There were some challenges which we did not discuss here, but let me discuss a little later. So my topic today is there were various challenges, there were various opportunities. So in Hyundai service, how we evolved around using this challenge to convert them as opportunity. Now, we have seen for ourselves that there were evolutions in cellular network, in technology like BS1 to BS6, and industrial revolution, they say industry 1 or factory 4.0, etc. In the power train, there are a lot of, from manual transmission to various types of, convenience to AMT, AT, DCT, etc. So now the famous saying is, it's not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. That is a learning that we are going to take from Charles Darwin. And what we have done in Hyundai service as a total unit. So a lot of good work from our entire team across the country, the dealers and our service team all put together. So I'm going to run through in 3 phases. One is what was the evaluation we adopted during the pandemic's time, then general process evolution according to the emerging changes from the customer's expectation, and finally, particularly on the customer experience front on what evolutions that we have done. So let me start with the evolution during the pandemic. So I will not take much time. As we said earlier, we were the first to announce, as we see here, much before even the national lockdown was announced. So we sensed from the customers, from the feedback on their queries. So we were first to extend their, extend our acceptance in terms of period, whether it is free service or warranty or extended warranty, etc. Now, I also talked about during the pandemic, the doctors, the police people, they were to move, but we provided them assistance. So we connected with the local authorities. We took special permission. So we made their vehicles were trouble-free for any sort of a requirement, whether it was battery assistance, they forgot the key. So we kept working with the minimum people. So I'm proud to say today that even on during the entire lockdown period, at least 30 to 40 assistance per day was done by our alliance partner, who is the roadside assistance partner, plus our dealer team. So we took special permission to operate one guy with the emergency vehicle available. So we ensured strongest connect with our partners during the toughest time. Of course, we talked about the challenge of the cars getting parked for longer time. So every OEM will like to, like Manish also said, we need to connect with the customers, and Hyundai being a very technology advanced company, we had our data pool in place, and people are all very connected with our social media, Facebook or Instagram. So we are connected all everywhere. So we kept on communicating the customers on how to maintain the car during a long parking time. So it was for 1 month. So a lot of communications went, and particularly about battery maintenance and tire maintenance. So we talked about engaging the dealer staff. So more than 25,000 dealer manpower, starting from even the washing boys, and we connected with them with small technical inputs and soft skill inputs for all the entire staff. So more than our trainers became busy shooting various technology videos, and we adopted from our parent company, Hyundai Motor Company, to have a lot of technical inputs converted into videos and PowerPoints and shared with our dealer partners. And we were, easily managing this because our Hyundai Learning on the Go app-based training was already in place for last 3 years. So we could better utilize as an opportunity. So pandemic could not halt our Hyundai upskilling. During the ideal time, we in fact used it effectively. Now, all of us know, and we invested in the new normal upskilling process. So we set up, a webcast facility in all our training centers. We invested, and tools were connected. On your right, you also can see virtual training also for body painting. So we adapted into new technologies so that our dealer staff are always connected with easy technology. And there are challenges. It is not that easy compared to our face-to-face training. It is always easy, but traveling is not available, and the safety also is a must. So given that challenge in front of us, this is the best, alternate idea. So from classroom training, we evolved to on-the-job training, to learning management training, finally to webcast, which is a game, also when you are connected in a training program, DJ will know after 20, 30 minutes, it becomes a little slagging. People will not be focused, right? It will start get boring. So we need to have animation in the game, overall training content. So we also involved, leaderboard, and questions and puzzles will go, and it will come in like, if the answer was right, it will be a 4. If it was very, very quick answer, it will be a 6, and it was a goal. So we animated so that the entire learning through the tough time becomes also, the retention of digital training will be much more tougher than a classroom training retention. So we understood this challenge, and we added, inputs so that the retention of online training becomes also better. So we redefined the new normal training also. And we were fully ready for total contactless service. Sometimes, people call it as a untaxed service. So we were fully ready. Like our friend Manish said, we were approaching the industry first service in WhatsApp from 2018 onwards. October 2018 onwards, we were pioneers in Indian automobile industry. That service was accessible in WhatsApp. So starting from online booking to the online feedback after the customer service is done, after the payment is made, everything was through WhatsApp. It was a complete, contactless service, untaxed service that we were there. But the thing is, we needed to communicate to the customer. So we kept on connecting with our customers through SMS services, press releases, then social media, connect. So we were always connecting with the customers about the intent of Hyundai. And once the network was started, the evolution was to ensure social distancing, then the high touch points, our friends were saying, so 6 touch points, the steering wheel, the gear knob, the door handle, etc. They needed to be, sanitized in front of the customer to boost his confidence. Similarly, when the car is getting picked and dropped at the time of handover also, at the time of collecting the car also, we need to inform that, we need to showcase that the sanitization in place. So on the right hand side, friends, you can see the body temperature of service advisor. In the morning, every employee should be checked with the infrared, thermal thermometer. So the temperatures will be recorded. So every advisor has to enter on the day of, starting, that what is his temperature, and that will be visible to the customer repair order and the invoice that your service advisor had this temperature. So this gave a lot of confidence to our customers walking in. Of course, all of us talked about sanitization, but we brought, very, very economical sanitation products with the support of our partners, and as low as 599, and a new process with the evolution. When the topic is about evolution, we also launched smoke, sanitization, ozone sanitation, etc. Earlier, we were all relying on steam plus surface sanitization. So it was an opportunity for automobile OEMs to come out with a new sanitizing process at an affordable prices, so that cars are maintained and the customers, have a hygienic drive when they use the car. So I'm happy from May onwards till November end, more than 200,000 customers have availed over and above their periodic maintenance services, the sanitization process also. Now, untact is a very, very common word, contactless service or, untact service. It is being overused or abused nowadays. So we are very strong in that 360-degree digital process supported, starting from reservation or appointment to the service feedback that collect from the customer, whether customer walks into the workshop or the customer car is picked and dropped. So it is completely digitalized and paperless. So we were having the digital disruption so that the customers are delighted. And for supporting this event, and we are very, very proud that we have more than 1.9 million customers who have opted in for WhatsApp service connect with the customer. So everything is there about notification, about payment, about the car readiness, about the preparedness. So at this juncture, friends, I'm also glad that Hyundai Motor India was awarded number one in using the WhatsApp for services by our parent company, not only in the Hyundai network, in their mystery shopping with the other OEMs also. So our process in India was the best. So I'm very proud to say, being an Indian here in the entire IVAS meeting. And, it is important to connect with our dealer partners. As I said earlier, we could easily travel. We could fly to Mumbai. We could fly to, Chennai to connect with our dealer partners. Dealers also are eager to know what is the development. So instead of a dealer visit or a phone dealer review or calling them to regional office earlier, now it is totally a virtual video conference review, right? And it could be boring, but you need to have enough contents to have the dealer's attention in whatever we are going to communicate. It is a two-way communication. So we trained all our, regional team how to connect and how to make the entire interaction to be brief but effective. So I believe in, short and sweet communication. So 7,000 plus virtual connect with our dealer partners are in our records. We have both the Zoom Connect and with the WebEx Connect. So it was a challenge, but we have easily converted to the opportunity. Now, I think one of our friends talked about, connecting with our customers also. Earlier, we used to organize Know Your Hyundai program because 55% of Hyundai customers are first-time buyers, the i20 buyers or the Creta buyers or the Grand i10 buyers. So they are using the car for the first time. They would have used their friends or everybody's car, but with this Hyundai, we wanted to connect with them to know about their Hyundai. So I'm also very, very glad that this program was continued throughout the year and digitally also. So I used, our training friends, our own department training friends to connect with the customer. So customers were connected. The Zoom program was also organized. Now in WebEx, our trainers will train our customers, on tips on how to maintain their car, on do it yourself, what DJ was talking about earlier. So this is one good feedback that example that customers were also talking about Know Your Hyundai, how Hyundai is connected to the customer. So 25,000 customers during this year was an amazing achievement by our dealers as well as our training team. So very grateful to them. Now coming back to the normal evolution of our processes. So I was talking about progressive operating procedure. So we constantly evolve, innovate the standard service processes. So when I was young, it was 6 steps, then later 7 steps. Now, to my knowledge, to our knowledge, we have increased to step 10 processes. And some highlighted points, all of you know only, but we have made that service processes should lead to good delighted customers becoming our referrals for future sales. Saying that customer delight is fantastic or we are better, all that should lead to a process that gives leads to our sales friends. Enquiries should be collected, referrals should be collected, exchange intent should be collected from the service customers. So that are the processes like you would see in between that, thing exchange and H promise. So all that should be the process of normal service. So seamless service for the new sales era. So that is how we evolve in the process from normal customer interaction to a sales referral customer. In the meanwhile, while the challenges were there, I was about to talk about this challenge. So, friends, the body shop load has almost, fallen down. Cars were moving very, very less. Globally, there is a term called VMT, vehicle miles traveled. That has almost fallen by 10%. Even in India, the IT guys are working from anywhere. As Murli sir said, people are not using their car. Hardly they are going to the market to get some milk or bread, etc. So the running of car in India has come down, and it was very, very low during April to August. Now it has slowly improved though, but VMT is going to be there. So maintenance services will still keep happening, but the problem is about repairs. Repairs have come down. Now the clutches and the brakes and the wipers, that replacements will go down. So already we are witnessing a drop in the consumption. So it is a new normal that the body shop business also will be lesser because cars are not being used the way it used to be used. Travels have come down. So the body shop business also is going to be down. What do we do? There is a challenge in front of us. We have only periodic maintenance services. Others are getting challenged. So now, even to optimize the PMS, customers they are saying, I'm using my car very sparingly. Why should I do the service also? It is just 1 year. Why should I even come for the workshop for service? So we needed to identify that which customer, and according to the usage, according to the distance between the workshop and the customer, his budget and his earlier. So we wanted to use the lifetime value of the customers to help our dealer partners to identify the customers for service reminders. So this program is called Hyundai Intelligent Target System. HITS. We have to hit the right customer for bringing them back to our network. If I call DJ or Anuj, who is most probably quickly to come back to our workshop? Because we cannot afford to call all of them all the time. We need to know who will be easy targets. So we are using the big data analytics primarily on 6 features, like how frequently they visit, how what type of caring they take, how much expenditure they do while the car is being serviced. All the data is being used, and we are bucketing the customers into 5 baskets. The best is a frequent flyer, and the potential defector in the 5th category. Accordingly, the communication should change. I cannot simply call, Mr. Anuj, please, your service is due, come for the service. My communication to all the 5 types of customers need to change, and an offer should be there ready for the potential defector. So that intelligence have been now brought, and dealers are using that. So this is a new thing that we have done. Last year we did the pilot, and as of now, 100 plus dealers are on board with this intelligent targeting system. That is a big evolution that we did. Of course, rural in Indian market is going to be always flourishing. And while I said that overall on a national level, we have grown by 4% in customer reporting compared to our January to February, but the rural service business has grown by a whopping 20%. Of course, volume is very, very less. We are on the overall service volume, our rural service volume is to the tune of only 12%, but the growth has been very, very significant. We are very, very proud to connect with the rural customers. However, the evaluation, all of us know that we used to have mobile service cars, the i10 photo that you are seeing on the left hand side. Then 3 years back we launched the Hyundai doorstep assistance using a two-wheeler. Minor services, quick repairs at the doorstep of rural customers. Were last 2 years it has been going very, very successfully. Now, like most of the OEMs, all of us are also investing heavily in big mobile vans. So local full-fledged campaigns can be organized. So a lot of focus during the evolving Indian market, particularly in the rural development. We are enhancing that. Already 380 plus rural service outlets are there. So we are going to be always around, whether it is urban or rural. Now our contribution to the entire Indian automobile network. We have a very, very strong tie-up with automobile skill development community, ASDC. And a few points that I want to say, because for the evolving market within and outside, our connect to the industry should be always there. So we have shared all the technical content to our ASD team so that they can easily use and adopt, because they are developing and building up the entire India in terms of automobile know-how, automobile upskilling. We are part of them by providing all our technical inputs, videos, training inputs to them. Now, similarly, ASDs also wants our support, whatever they are developing. Our training team is assisting them, whether it is a technical course or a soft skill course, and we validate them. We are helping them to go through the content and confirm them. It is our duty, and we are there to support, and so that the Indian automobile industry has a strong future. And friends, we have also used our training centers, converted them into 5 ASDC academies also. So we have told them to assist. These boys that you are seeing are all ASDC students. It is not Hyundai fraternity team, but we have requested our training academies to support in their other time to train the entire ASDC network. So we are part of the evolution. We are glad to be part of the evolution, and our training centers are supporting the ASDC in auto technician course in level 3 and level 4, and washing course for the students. And we also support ASDC in terms of in their preparation in World Skill Olympics, and we have been part and parcel of the journey of ASDC in the Indian automobile industry. Now, I also said, a lot of data evolution is happening. Everybody is talking about big data, big data. A lot of data is available. We have 55 lakhs of customers, 5.5 million. A lot of service history is there. We are also using, now as I said, simple service cannot stop by providing a deleted service. So car service should lead to workshop referrals to my sales friends. We need to give inquiries. So during the customer visits, we ask the customers, sir, would you like to refer your friends, family, anybody who is thinking of buying a new Hyundai car? So immediately collect the data, share with our sales team, and convert them into new car retail. So similarly, on the right hand side, customers who are using their car for 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, using the intelligence from the data management, we know that Grand i10 customers upgrade after 6 years, whereas an i20 customer upgrades after 4 years. So using that intelligence from the service history, we give the dealers, an assistance to ask for an upgrade intent. Is the customer really wanting to upgrade that particular car into a new Creta or a new Tucson or a new Elantra? So get that intent. We do not push them, sir. You are wanting to upgrade in a span of 3 months or 6 months, etc., etc. Purely from the workshop, So sales and service is a combined process. We cannot say or stand on the sides to say that my job is to provide a good service and retain the customers. That should help my sales colleagues to increase the sales volume. So I am very, very glad with the support of our dealers, with the support of our processes. More than 50,000 cars from Jan to November, we have already retailed through the service referrals and exchange intent data shared with our sales colleagues. And finally, how are we evolving in the customer delight? Friends, that India has been evolving. The product quality is evolving. The service support is also evolving. So all of us started from 1 year warranty to 2 years warranty to 3 years warranty. So we thought, why can't we leave the decision to our buyers? Why should we say that 3 years unlimited warranty, 100,000 warranty? So it is first time, in fact, in India that we launched a wonder warranty concept, that the buyer can choose, a Neos or a i20 customer can choose whether he or she wants 3 years, 100,000 kilometer, or if he's going to use the car very, very sparingly, 5 years or 40,000 kilometer. A petrol user or a city user or a professor, they might use the car very, very less, whereas a diesel buyer can go for a 3 years, 100,000 kilometer. We left to them to choose. This is a very, very flexible wonder warranty. The first time in the industry, and I'm very proud that our team has done this, and customers are amazing. What is the result? More than 50% of our buyers are going for this new option. They are choosing either the 4th year or the 5th year. The warranties are all flexible for the small cars and the bigger cars. We are very, very flexible. But the amazing result is the evolution is customers are also liking our approach of wonder warranty, and 50% of them are enjoying. Friends, again, we are very, very flexible. You may not make a decision at the time of buying the new car. You may be a little confused. If the sales consultant is asking choose now, maybe not possible. So we give them, take your time. You can do your decision during the first time also. We switch gears like in mutual fund, we all do. So you can choose your, switching. These are all very, very new initiatives that we have come up with. So, media, everybody is very, very, positive about our new innovative ideas. And we prove that service products can also be very, very innovative compared to AMCs or various packages. Now, while we have been talking over years that we always ensure that minimum parts are required to be replaced for the periodic maintenances. Our maintenance services are one every year, but the items to be replaced are very, very long term frequenced. So it is not that everything should be replaced at 10K or 20K. We work with our R&D to delay as much as possible with a very, very strong product quality. So I'm very, very proud that earlier cardeco.com or zigwheels.com used to appreciate our low maintenance cost. Now Autocar in the last month's journal, almost amongst 10 various segments, our cars came in 6, very, very popular segments in Creta, Verna or I-20 segments. So we are very proud that it is not only that we speak about a good evolution of service processes, but it is really that our customers enjoy the lowest maintenance cost while owning the cars. So these 6 popular cars in the segment got the appreciation from the leading auto magazine. Now I'm also very, very glad that first time in the industry that we launched a new program called Mobility Membership. It is not about loyalty. It is not about burning the bonus points that you accumulated in the workshops or the showroom. Normally, one will have 30,000 points, 20,000 points when you buy a new car. Then when you service some 10 points per 1,000 rupees, etc., etc. We broke all the boundaries. As you see on the left-hand side, this mobility membership program, friends, talk about the core business of buying and maintaining the car in the Hyundai network, which is a very, very small part of the membership program, but it goes beyond the core to mobility. The customers are now using in their family. They take, Zoom. They use subscription. They use Ola, or all that mobility usage. There also, we will provide a lot of benefits working with various partners. And the lifestyle, we already tied up 30 plus partners in this membership program. Whether it is Shell or Oyo or Zoomcar, Ghana.com, or Portronics, all these things are coming up, and it is just a fantastic new program. And more than 1.3 lakh customers have already enrolled. So within the network core business and little away in the mobility circle and beyond the complete lifestyle, the travel, flying, everything will be covered, and offers only for Hyundai customers will be much, much better than the normal one. And we are already having more than 1.3 lakhs of customers. I'm very, very proud to announce here that in this tough time, we came out with the best customer loyalty or engagement program ever in the Indian automobile industry. So all the benefits for the customers, benefit for the dealers, and for the OEM, all will be there. So we already engaged with more than 30 partners. And if I'm not talking about the EV, the emerging trend in the entire country, most evolving process across the network. And there also we came out with, nobody else has done it, for the Kona EV vehicle to vehicle charging in the very, very unlikely event. So we have launched this V2V charging. One Kona will come to your place in the unlikely event if the car is out of charge, will charge the Kona. So already we have 4 metros. We have this program, and portable charging program. We have tied up with our RSA partner, and I am very, very glad that we have tied up with Indian Oil company IOCL for full 4 points where fast charging facility, you can see, which is ready in Chennai, which is ready. Chennai is already operational. This week it will become operational in Delhi, and two more sites. So we have tied up with public charging from Hyundai for the future emerging, EV charging processes. Of course, all our Kona customers have a complimentary home charging unit. All of us know that. And when I said business better than before, we have forgotten that yes, COVID is going to impact. Cash flow is a problem which is of the past. So even in the month of May, friends, in Hyundai network, we witnessed 40% recovery. So only one bad month of April, and starting from May, 40% was the first month, grew to 60, 70, 80. So now I said in front of you that compared to January and February, we served 5.3 lakh customers. Now by month end of December, this month we'll be servicing 5.75 lakhs of customers, vehicles. And in all, it will be 5.58 lakhs of customers. So we have grown by 5%, to be very, very specific. I was talking about 4%. So 5% is our growth in customer reporting to our network because of extensive communication, wonderful connect, a very, very strong dealer partners, their processes, SOPs, focusing on the right customers, considering the work from anywhere concept, considering their low spending mindset, all put together, and giving a wonderful contactless service or an untagged service using the digital process to the fullest extent. I am very, very proud to say that we are back with the performance, and we are going to continue this good thing. So a lot of connect has happened. Friends, service brand will be as strong as our network. Our dealer partners are always, good in communicating on all the processes that we announce. So they take a special interest in connecting with our customers, even in PR. So it's a very, very important for the brand. As I mentioned, more than 1,800 press releases in service alone. That is a connect that we want to always, be involved in. So more than 20.7 crores of PR value, and lot of customers connect, more than 10 million engagement. So this is all leading to a very, very strong reputation management. SNS post and all are in the past. Now we need to see what our customers are, talking in the blogs, in various competitive, websites. So we need to always constantly know what our customers. So customers are our auditors. Our friend Rao Pratap was wanting to know how more audits can be done. Listen to customers, connect with them. That is the best thing to know. And we are very, very glad that our positive service feedbacks are also growing. Only on service, more than 1% of our service volume is, spreading around the social media. A lot of our customers are really expressing. Generally, people are conservative, but we feel, and our Hyundai customers are really talking good in the social media, not only in our sites, but across. And Google listing also, more than 1,000 workshops are listed in the Google, and the responses are very good. Number of reviews for customers and replies from our dealer partners, they are all, going constantly up. So we are very, very strongly connected. And thank you all the participants, panelists, for a patient hearing. Thank you all.
That's great. Bravo, Pune sir. Fantastic. What a great presentation. And based on some great steps that Hyundai Motor India has taken under your leadership, and of course, your team leading it from the forefront, I think it's a fantastic success story. So, Pune sir, would you stay after this next keynote by DJ, because we will have a combined Q&A and felicitation, or you have some urgent engagement right now?
Yeah, I have to go.
You have to go?
Personal engagement. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So then we would like to felicitate you right now for this beautiful session that you have done. So please allow me to share my screen. So.
To felicitate Mr. Punevanam, I would like to invite Mr. M. Dhananjayan, MD Focus Group India and Dubai, Mr. Gaurav Maan, CEO K2B Learning, and Mr. Siddhant Chandel from Patriot. So please
do the honors.
Our little memento, Mr. Punevanam.
thanks a
Mr.
ton, Punay
Dhananjay
sir.
would like to say something.
Sorry, Anita, did you say?
Yeah, would Mr. Dhananjay like to say a word? I thought maybe.
No, thank you very much. It was really great, listening to the leader and also understand a lot of, initiatives at Hyundai.
Thank you so much, sir.